So now you think you're ready for your first pizza. And as you approach that, let me give you a couple tips and tricks. So whenever you are learning how to use a peel, please do not build your pizza on a peel. I know historically a lot of people have said, well, use your wooden peel, place tons of cornmeal down to keep it from sticking, and then place the dough on top. My recommendation is learn how to do it right the first time. So roll out your dough, just like we show in the videos, and place it on a well-floured surface. And you're now ready to use your peel. Don't top it, just leave the dough rolled out. And the reason I tell you to do this is for you and whoever else is gonna be using the oven to practice. You need to learn how to slide the peel underneath the pizza, how to remove it and slide it onto the stones in your oven. And we have plenty of videos showing you how to do that. So I would encourage you, learn, practice, use that rolled out dough with 0 toppings to feel confident getting it on the peel, launching it off of the peel and into your oven, but you're just practicing on your countertop. Once you feel confident, your very first pizza should be just a little bit of olive oil drizzled on top and some salt. Throw that into your oven. You have no fear of dropping cheese or perforating and getting sauce on your stones. This gives you the perfect test pizza to put into your oven to make sure that your stones are at the right temperature, the oven's at the right temperature, and that you can rotate it easily because it will cook on the side closest to the heat source. This is also a wonderful first pizza in general because it lets you test out your oven, and then it's a wonderful, fantastic appetizer. If you have some cold cuts off to the side, some sliced avocado, it comes out, you slice it up into a ton of little pieces, and it's the perfect little appetizer to get everybody excited about the pizza to come.